Motion Energy Gel relieves joint pain. How does it work? Motion Energy Gel is a promising joint pain solution that has a natural composition. It reduces the stiffness and limited motion in joints by effectively eliminating inflammation. Clients from Germany, Spain, and Italy state that the bioactive cream helps in cases of arthritis, osteochondrosis, and joint trauma. Motion Energy Joint Cream also increases muscle mobility and improves the function of the musculoskeletal system as a whole. Arthritis main types and causes? Healthcare specialists explain that arthritis is an inflammation of one, monoarthritis, or more joints, polyarthritis. The factors that can lead to the occurrence of this disease are heterogeneous crystal deposition, genetic, trauma, infectious, and others. Symptoms are specific, depending on the type of arthritis, but in most of the cases they are related to stiffness, joint pain, and swelling. Science has acknowledged many different types of arthritis that are divided into separate categories. Here are the main types. Rheumatoid arthritis. This is a chronic condition with an inflammatory origin. The reason that triggers it remains unknown. Most of the specialists relate the causes for its occurrence to induced autoimmune inflammation. Osteoarthritis, another chronic joints disease but of non-inflammatory. It causes a progressive loss of articular cartilage with subsequent proliferation of bone tissue. Some factors such as obesity, genetic, and high joint load can lead to disease activation. Ankylosing spondylitis. This is a chronic inflammatory joint disease that negatively impacts the sacroiliac joints and spine. In rare cases, it can affect the peripheral joints, too. Motion Energy Gel user comments and opinions? What is it? Motion Energy is a biocosmetic gel that relieves back and joint pain thanks to its active ingredients. The product restores the health and normal functions of the joints, making it effective in arthritis, osteoarthritis, and osteochondrosis. The predominant amount of available Motion Energy reviews and opinions comes from clients who are suffering from these diseases. They are regularly applying the joint pain cream and say that the results are significant. Customers from Spain, Germany, and Italy also expressed their positive thoughts in their online shared Motion Energy opinions and reviews. They also point out that the product is offered at a great price in 2022 through its official website. In addition, its natural composition makes it suitable for prolonged use that does not trigger any side effects and contradictions. The biocosmetic solution is recommended by reputable orthopedists and fitness couches who have tested its authenticity and efficiency. They suggest regular use for best results. How to apply Motion Energy Cream instructions. Unpackage the joint pain reliever and read the implied leaflet. It contains the specific Motion Energy instructions for use. They describe the following steps of application. Apply a small amount of the joint pain gel on the skin on the affected area. Use gentle massage movements to help the cream absorbs into the skin. Do this procedure twice per day for at least 20 days. It is important for clients to strictly fulfill the recommendation to get the best effect of the product. Motion Energy Cream is a biocosmetic solution for arthritis symptoms that should be applied twice per day for at least 20 days. This will allow the product to demonstrate its full properties and efficiency. Remember, it is safe for use and does not cause side effects of any type thanks to its natural composition. Motion Energy main ingredients of the joint pain solution? The soothing and regenerating formula of Motion Energy Gel contains herbal ingredients with combined action. The product takes care of the body and helps to avoid discomfort and improve muscle and joint mobility. It creates a synergistic effect that supports the good health and functioning of the joints. It also slows down the oxidative processes in the body. The main extracts that are part of the patented Motion Energy formula are Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a plant that humanity has been using for various health conditions. Its composition features tannins, which decrease pain and swelling caused by arthritis. Ginger and rosemary, essential oils. The combination of these two powerful extracts efficiently relieve joint pain by helping to numb the nerves. In addition, this complex has a strong anti-inflammatory action in the area of the muscles and joints. Cinnamon, essential oil. It has high anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that relieve the pain and stiffness in joints.